Is your home plagued by musty odors, mold spots, or humidity-related damage like blistering paint or cupping floors? The solution is here. Introducing the Alorair Sentinel WHD200, a professional-grade whole house dehumidifier built to protect your health and home structure, while saving energy and money. Let's dive into what's included in the box. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Sentinel WHD200 Dehumidifier, MERV filter, 6.5-foot drain hose, remote controller, user manual, main unit dimensions, length 37.3 inches, width 23.4 inches, height 24.3 inches, removes 165 pints per day, 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 60% relative humidity. Covers up to 4,500 square feet, ideal for entire homes, basements, crawl spaces, storage areas, and commercial buildings. Dewey Whole House, rating 140 ppd at 73 degrees Fahrenheit and 60% relative humidity. Upgraded fresh air function. A dedicated fresh air intake controlled via a damper docking system balances indoor air and reduces stale air, even under extreme moisture conditions. GPP mode, smart humidity. Control, uses grains per pound, GPP mode, to automatically detect and match absolute humidity levels. Reduces manual adjustment. Saves up to 30% energy annually compared to traditional systems. Auto defrost system. Integrated sensors detect low temperatures and trigger a smart defrost cycle. Compressor halts while fan continues, preventing frost buildup. Maximizes unit longevity and efficiency. Additional highlights. Memory restart. Recovers settings after a power outage. 24-hour timer. Fan speed adjustment. Fresh air and central air modes. Prevents moisture damage. Eliminates stains, mold, and wall blistering. Prevents cupping floors. Reduces pest infestations and water condensation. Supports central air duct systems for efficient air circulation across multiple rooms. Works standalone or in parallel with other systems. Control your humidity from any room. Wall-mounted LCD remote control panel. Clear digital, readout 26-foot communication wire for versatile placement. User-friendly UI with humidity levels, mode indicators, and timers. The Alorair Sentinel WHD200 isn't just another dehumidifier. It's a complete humidity control system for your entire home or commercial space. Whether you're protecting sensitive wood floors, preventing mold, or just making your air more breathable, this unit is built to handle it all, efficiently and quietly. Price: $2,124.15 USD. 5-year warranty. Limited built and certified in the USA. Order now and invest in a healthier, safer, and more comfortable living environment with Alorair. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.